Published, June 11, 2020 at 3:48 p.m. ETTrading in the Nasdaq was exhibiting panic-like buying behavior Thursday midday, even as the broader market got rocked lower on fears of growing cases of coronavirus in the U.S. and a gloomy economic outlook from the Federal Reserve. That bearish combination has pushed the Nasdaq CompositeCOMP minus 5.26% down 3.7% in regular trade on the session at 9,645, amid a broad sell-off of equities. However, the Nasdaq Arms Index, a volume-weighted breadth measure, fell to 0.389, while many on Wall Street see declines below 0.500 as suggesting panic buying. The ARMS index is calculated by dividing the ratio of the number of advancing stocks over decliners by the ratio of the volume of advancing stocks over declining volume. As the stock market rises, the ARMS often falls below 1.000 as the buyers rush into advancing stocks. The current dynamic suggests that investors may continue to adhere to a trend of buying large capitalization technology-related names that have helped the Nasdaq and the Nasdaq 100 indexNDX minus 5.01% outperform their peer indexes over the past several weeks. The number of stocks declining on the Nasdaq on Thursday outnumbered advancers by nearly 15 to 1, while volume in advancing stocks represented 15% of total volume on the Nasdaq. Meanwhile, the NYSE ARMS Index was showing signs of panic selling, with technicians viewing a level above 2.000 as indicating panic selling behavior. The NYSE ARMS was at 2.188, with decliners outpacing advancers 38 to 1 and declining volume representing nearly 99% of total volume. The Dow Jones Industrial AverageDJIA, minus 6.89%, was down 1,735 points, or 6.5%, at 25,231, while the S&P 500 indexSPX, minus 5.89%, was off 5.5% at 3,014. The Dow was looking at potentially its worst daily decline on a point and percentage basis since mid-March.